Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Jadon Grundy back with another video, and today I got something in the mail that I'm very excited about, so I wanted to show you guys and I wanted to like unbox them and everything because the packaging is dope, man. So basically what I got is the Golf with FLEUR's Tyler Creator shoe with Converse. Basically I've never had a pair of 1 stars before. Like I've had regular Chucks, but like as far as 1 stars, which they're pretty much the same as far as like the fit. Converse doesn't really switch up a whole lot. But yeah, basically this is like my first pair of like something similar to a 1 star. So we're gonna unbox it, see how it looks, man. I'm a big fan of Tyler Creator. Makes dope music, he's a great artist. All his visuals and everything are dope. So it's cool to support, you know what I'm saying? For a $100 price range, this isn't bad at all, especially for like a signature shoe. So I'm excited, man. Let's hurry up and get into this unboxing. Now, right off the bat, you got the Golf with FLEUR logo on the top with the Converse at the bottom. It's like nice pink. It's kind of like a peach colored pink with black bottom. You got the sizing and everything. Basically all of that is regular. Nice presentation. Then when you open it up, you got this real nice like I forget what they call these type of bags, but this bag is dope. It gives you like a nice little drawstring bag. It has the Golf with FLEUR logo on it. So the shoes are actually inside wrapped up. They're not even like just thrown in there. So this is literally like, I don't know, this packaging is just dope, bro. Like when you get a pair of shoes, you just have the normal packaging with tissue paper over it and all that. But like just the fact that they threw this in, bro, is definitely well worth the presentation. So inside of this, actually I'm gonna move this out the way. But inside of this, you got each individual shoe wrapped up in its own paper. That's why I was saying like it's like double papered almost. But yeah, so we get to the shoes, and by the way, I got the green colorway, as you can see it coming through here. They came in 3 different colorways. This is the green. They had a blue colorway and they had like a pinkish colorway. I honestly thought the green colorway was better out of the 3 just because it's like 2 tones. So like the actual star, well, here, I'll show you. All right, yeah. So this is a pair. So what I was talking about is like 2-tone. It has like the lighter green and the darker green. The other ones kind of were similar, but like the pink was like all 1 tone and the blue was kind of all 1 tone. If I was to get a different color, I probably would have got the blue ones, but I don't really have any green shoes, so I went ahead and got some green ones. But to get into the details of the actual shoe, man, these are dope. They're definitely well worth the price. They're pretty much, they're really just a 1 star all around, just with better materials. Like this has like a super fuzzy suede upper. The logo suede as well. It has 3 different colored laces. It has an orange, a green, and it comes like stocked with the white. But they're all different accents of the shoe. So if you want to match like the bottom, which has like that all over flower print, you know what I'm saying, for the flower boy. Yeah, so the orange would match the bottom. The bottom's actually dope, by the way. It gives like a little flair to the shoe because you're not always gonna see the bottom. So I don't know, it's kind of like a cool little surprise, I guess. But that's the bottom. The upper with like the extra paneling of the flower. Usually it's just like the star, which the star is in the middle, but basically they just threw that little like flower logo over it, which I think is a nice touch and like adds to the aesthetic of it. But basically it's just a 1 star, man. Vulcanized bottom, all of that. It's not too complex of a shoe. They have like the inside has the Golf with FLEUR logo, then the tongue has the Golf with FLEUR logo as well. So besides that, that's pretty much the whole shoe. Now these actually aren't on the online site anymore. They were really easy to cop actually. So everybody who wanted them probably were able to get them if you got them within like the first like, you know what I'm saying, couple of hours that they were out. They were on a couple of different websites. But if you're looking to buy these, if you haven't had Converse before, I would definitely probably go at least a half a size, if not a full size down. I wear 11.5 and I got them in an 11. They fit fine. You'd probably be okay with a full size down, but half size down is definitely recommended, so they're not too big, because the toe cap area is kind of like rounded off, so it kind of is gonna like be a little bit longer. But besides that, I might throw it on feet just cause, so you guys can see it, even though I don't have them laced up or anything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna just throw them on feet real quick so y'all can see how it looks. Maybe I'll you know what I'm saying, loosen it up and all that good stuff. But that's the shoe. Basically, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. More videos coming soon. I actually picked up the hoodie to match these as well, but it hasn't came yet. So I'm gonna have the hoodie coming. So I'll do like a recent pickup video, whatever you want to call it. I'll do one of those soon so you guys can see what I've copped over this like past month, because the new year started and I actually got a lot of stuff. So that's coming soon, man. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into this on feet.
Hey, yo. Let's take it back to them date. Counting sheep on say they hand a float. Carpet with my baby mama. You live in my dream state. Relocate my fantasy. I stay in reality.
Find some time to do something. Find some time.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button, and comment which colorway you guys like the best. And that's pretty much it, man. Thanks for watching.